Yo, Hannah, what's going on? How you doing today?
Doing good.
Yeah, what are you doing today?
We're skydiving today.
Jumping out of a plane. What is wrong with you? You okay? Everything good up there?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, you're good. All right, cool. Then you're in the right spot because you're gonna do it with you. Yeah. So, what would you like to tell anyone watching the video?
I'm scared. I'm very nervous.
Nervous, scared?
I'm excited.
But it's your idea, right?
Right.
That's right. Ah, you're gonna have a blast. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I've been doing this for a long time, so it's to me, I say it's second nature.
Right.
For you, I'm gonna try and show you the best time I possibly can.
Yes.
With that being said, is there anything else? No? Well, blue skies, silver ceiling. How do you like it? You're gonna have very cool views. Look at what you see to your right. That's gonna be in your video. I look down at it, camera. Yeah, buddy! Alright. Up. We want to make sure we make it to the drop zone. So we gotta fly straight. We got out of the plane a little early. That being said, you see how we're going straight to the drop zone? We'll make the drop zone. We just might not make it all the way to the front. Look up top left. Yes, good job! That does look kick-ass. I hope, is that your dad or your, who is that stop? The next person jumping?
My uncle.
Your uncle. Let's hope he gets the jump. That might stop him. We got you. We got number one. Oh, lift your knees up like you're sitting in a chair. Higher. Put your feet out in front of you. That's what. All right. Say goodbye. Woo! How you like it?
It was awesome.
Would you do it again?
Oh yes.
Would you do it with me? Did I do a good job?
Yes.
Even in all the crazy conditions, right?
Yeah.
How'd you like your flips?
Oh, it's so fun.
Awesome,
Scary
awesome.
at first, but it was awesome.
Scary at first, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, hey, listen then. Blue skies? Or no, wait. I'm gonna take that back. Cloudy skies. What's up, skydive?